are you doing? Hey, come here. Come and sit next to me. Like this, like this. My child, you don't accept me to show my performance every time. But I promise you that when you need me most, you will feel my strong presence. Allahu Malik.
துயர் வந்து சேரும் நேரம் துணைதான் சாயே வாட்டமேது உன்னை என்ன சுகம்தானேயா